So I installed the 60-inch electric fireplace Wi-Fi Alexa enabled.
Which skill do you want to enable?
Alexa, stop. Anyway, so I installed it, and so far it works pretty good. Alexa, flame on.
Okay.
The only problem with it is it was a little difficult to install, but I made a mistake and used the instructions and tried to install it based on the dimensions in the instructions I downloaded from Amazon. But when I got it, I don't think the dimensions are exactly right because it was very, very tight to fit in. But the install is not difficult if you got your little cubby hole cut out properly. The installation.
So this is the electric fireplace. I love this thing. One issue about it is the instructions actually come behind the glass, and I had to get back on the Amazon website page, the web page, and look at the video to figure out how to take the screws out to get the instruction pack out. But there's a silver screw on each end of the fireplace to get those out. Comes with the remote. And you can change the different flame colors. The heat, it puts out really good heat. It gets warm quick. You can change the flame color. And you can change the color of the bottom, the rocks. You can either put
You still at work?
Embarrassing to assume that, but yeah, I am.
Do me a favor. Try the word purity on the USB stick.